Hey TinkerBlock makers! Today we're learning how to measure exactly how long you hold down a button. This is super useful for creating different actions based on hold duration. We're using our trusty TinkerBlock setup, the lonely Binary UNO R3, the Shield, and the TK04 push button. But now we're not just detecting presses, we're timing them. The key is the millis function. It gives us the current time in milliseconds since the TinkerBlock started. We use it to record when the button is first pressed, then calculate the difference when it's released. Here's the logic. When we detect a button press, we store the current time in a variable called pressStart. We also set a flag called button was pressed to true, so we don't start timing again while the button is held. When the button is released, we calculate the hold time by subtracting the start time from the current time. That gives us the exact duration in milliseconds. The beauty is that millis is non-blocking. Your TinkerBlock can do other things while waiting. Unlike delay, it doesn't pause your program. Try this. Upload the code, open the serial monitor, and hold the button for different durations.
You'll see messages like button held for 1,250 milliseconds.
Precise timing for your projects. This technique is perfect for creating different actions based on hold time. Short press for one action, long hold for another. It's the foundation for sophisticated user interfaces. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more TinkerBlock tutorials.